Let's talk candle day. Now, this is an old video that I just kind of cut up a little bit and made it into one video because I really thought that this was really good. This was one of my sipping chats that I did in 2021, I believe. So I thought I had some really good information. So I just wanted to put this video out there so we could know exactly what to do and just things that we might not be thinking about for candle day. Also, y'all, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, leave comments, do all the things that I normally say in my videos. Also, shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for supporting me, y'all. But here goes the video, and I think it's like almost 20 minutes maybe. But here's the video. Hopefully you enjoy it. Leave comments, let me know how many candles you're gonna buy. If you're shopping this candle day, leave all that stuff down in the comments. So let's get into this live stream that I did a couple of years ago. Hopefully you will enjoy it. All right, let's go. I'm ready. I'm just saying, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to play ball, or whatever y'all want to call it. Because like everybody is saying, this is our Super Bowl. This is our game day. This is the day we've been waiting on all year. You know, the cheapest candles of the year. So as I was saying, know how many candles you're going to buy online. Have your money set for that. Know how many candles you're going to buy in the store. Because the store is going to be packed. Super packed. Yes. It's going to be people in there, those casual shoppers. Let them get all those old candles. Us, we in this. We are candle collectors. We love candles. So we ain't looking for that. Let them have that stuff. Be glad when you see them over there looking at champagne toast. That's what I want to see. I want to see them going for that stuff. I don't want them to be chasing the new stuff that I'm after. Yes, like I was saying, know your budget for online. Know your budget for what you're going to spend in the store. Also, know how much it's going to cost inside the store. As y'all do know, we all only have 10 off of 40, which sucks, but you know, I'm grateful to have that. Hopefully, Bath and Body Works is not going to be enforcing the limit, the candle limit. Now, as long as I've been going to Candle Day, they have not, enforced that. So hopefully they don't be trying to change stuff up. But because we only have those 10 off of 40s, is just messing things up, which means you might have to do a number of transactions just to get to that 40 point. I did the math, okay, on $9.95. This is the tricky one. $9.95 sale. If the candles is $9.95, 4 candles per transaction. Problem is, it's only going to get you to $39.80. They're going to say, we can't use that coupon, so you got to grab the cheapest thing you could find. And we all know, hand sanitizer. That's the only thing that's going to take you over that $40 mark. Okay, with the $9.95 price point, yes, you can go for the hand sanitizer, but that's something you don't have to do. If you rather pick 5 candles and pay basically $40, then yes, do that. But if you want to stick closer to the $30 price point, then I would suggest getting the hand sanitizer. But you don't necessarily have to do that. The thing is, do you rather pay more money or less money? Do you rather have 5 candles or 4 candles and a sanitizer? So you have to pick the scenario that works for your budget. That $40 mark, then it'll be $42. I'm just rounding it up. It'll be about $42 plus tax. That $9.95 is going to mess a whole lot of stuff up. So if it's $9.95, make sure you grab some hand sanitizers. So grab a couple of these hand sanitizers just to have as a just in case. So you don't have to run back in the store, grab some stuff. No. Be prepared. So grab some of these. Maybe, I don't know how many transactions y'all gonna do, but grab a handful of them, put them in your thing, so you're good and ready. So that's gonna be the only problem. If you got that 20% coupon, you in it. So remember, if they limit your coupons, your candles and you got that 20%, that means you're going to have to pay regular price anything after the 18, which totally sucks. Also, online, remember, if you are only going to shop online, you can't use coupons because every year there's a code, and I think the code is Candle Day. So you will not be able to get an additional discount. You have to pay whatever the Candle Day price is. So that's also another game changer. If you only budget, your budget is only for discounted candles, and you forgot all about online, I can't use a code, that's a game changer. So be prepared. You cannot use any other discount because you have to use Candle Day code. Now, I don't know if that's the code, but that's always the code. So yes, those 20% is super rare. I mean, you can find them on eBay, but if you did not buy those coupons last week, I wouldn't even mess with it this week, because it's a chance that it is not going to get to you in time. I wouldn't even fool with buying no mail order coupons at all. Now, if it's a local person and you could meet up with them, that's something different. But as far as doing eBay and then they're going to ship them out to you, yes, sometimes people are pretty fast at shipping, but you still depending on the post office, you know, and stuff get lost in the mail all the time. You gotta be ready by, I'll say Wednesday. You kind of pushing it. If you still waiting on coupons by Thursday, you might be disappointed, you know. So I personally think be ready by Wednesday. So Thursday come, you ain't even got to worry about nothing because you good. You already ready for Friday. So Thursday is more, let me get my head together. What kind of clothes I'm going to wear? What kind of purse I'm going to carry? What kind of shoes I'm wearing? I'm just saying, y'all, it's a whole thing with this. And I might just be, you know, amping it or being extra with it, but these are just things I be thinking about. Now, things to know. And they normally put 2 crates per bag. Now, some stores be very nice about it, and they only put 1 in there so you can get a few extras. But I brought my cart up. You need to do a test run. Understand how your travel cart works. How am I going to stack my candles? How am I going to hook my candles up so they don't fall? I'm not sure if y'all will be comfortable with this. Maybe you want to get another bungee cord so you can strap it going that way as well. But you need to figure that out for you. How do you want to strap your crates? I don't know. I said I'm thinking about taking this with me because sometimes it's a little wait. You got to wait in line. You might want to sit down. This is another option. And the fact that it's compact. So, yeah. With this, I can either lay it flat like that. Hopefully y'all can see that. You can either lay it flat like that, or I can put it upside down and then stack my candles just like this, and then put the candles like this, and I'm good. This little travel cart thing is a game changer. And plus, when you're going through the store, it ain't as big as those wagons. You know, you could literally be stacking your candles on this thing as you're shopping. So that's the reason why I absolutely love this thing. And it's very important. Know who's going to go with you. Make sure whoever is going with you, make sure they know, okay, we leaving at 3:30 in the morning so we could get there at 4. Be first in line. Let them know what time we leave. Ain't nobody got time for no, oh, well, I just woke up, or, oh, dang, I got to do this. Or, ain't nobody got time for that at all. At all. Especially if you know that your store be packed. If you know your store be packed, ain't no time for no games. You either riding or you ain't. It's just that simple. Know what time your store is opening. Very, 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 very important. Know it. Know what time your store is open. make sure you call them and ask them, okay, on Candle Day, what time are y'all opening? Make sure you know that. Also, check the Bath and Body Works website. Sometimes it's right and sometimes it's wrong. So make sure you know. If your store is in a mall and it's not just like a strip mall, know which door is unlocked, because that has happened to some people before. I can't remember which mall I was at. I was at some mall. I was already inside the mall, and some other people was like, Dad, we've been waiting outside because the door was locked. I'm like, really? I've been here for like 20 minutes. So make sure you ask your Bath and Body Works people, which store y'all gonna have unlocked. Which door of the mall should I come through? So that's very, very important, especially if you're trying to be the first in line. That's super important. Set your alarm, especially if you're not used to waking up that early. I'm used to waking up. Also, bring water. Make sure, like somebody said, if you're gonna carry a crossbody bag, or if you're gonna wear a jacket or something, or even you could tie a little something on here where you can hang your bottle of water, because if the line is long and you know you're gonna be waiting in that line, sometimes it gets super hot in the line while you're waiting. You know, you might get a little thirsty. I'm not saying gobble it down, because I know you ain't trying to get out of line to use the bathroom. That was my next thing too. Make sure you use the bathroom before you go, because you don't want to have to use the bathroom and it's a long line, and now you got to get out of line to use the bathroom, and you hope the person behind you say, okay, well, yeah, you know, I'll save your spot. Most people ain't, you know how that is. So, but make sure you bring a little small bottle of water just so you can sip on, just to, moisten your mouth a little bit, just in case. You never know. Might know what kind of clothes you're going to wear. If you know you get hot easy, don't wear no big old coat. Where now you got to carry the doggone thing. Now you in line trying to pull your travel cart, trying to hold your coat too, and you're trying to, no. Maybe leave your coat in the car. Got to think you indoor anyway, unless you have a strip mall store. Also, the night before, Thursday night, you just want to make sure you got your envelopes, your coupons, things like that. Just have your whole game plan ready to go. Because if you forget your coupons at home, man, that's a bad feeling. That's a bad feeling. And most definitely when you are in the store is packed. Everybody don't always have... Some people be on that scam stuff. I'm just saying, pickpocket stuff. So still, even though you're shopping, still be aware of your surroundings. Be aware of people bumping into you. It's not to say that they're trying to rob you or steal you, but you still got to be aware of those things. Don't be so focused or have tunnel vision on, all these candles where you're not protecting yourself. You still got to make sure that you are watching what's going on. I'm just saying, y'all, it's just crazy now. It's crazy. Also, yeah, I just want to say this too. Don't go and try to exchange candles on Candle Day. Now, like I said, I don't know how it is like in the later part of the evening, like right when the store get ready to close on Candle Day. I don't know, because I ain't never been like at 9 o'clock at night or 8 o'clock at night. I always go to Candle Day super, super early in the morning, always. So now if you're going to exchange candles, maybe do that like right before they close, even though I feel like that's a waste of time to exchange candles then, because the stores basically be wiped out, So I highly recommend you wait until after Candle Day to do that. Yes, if you want to know the layout of your store, it is a good idea to go that night before to see, if you really want to do that, Hopefully y'all enjoyed this little throwback from one of my sip and chat streams. I used to love doing sip and chats. We used to go for hours. So I just cut this video down to like 15 minutes. And I think this was a 3-hour stream. So I got 15 minutes from the stream. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you could use some of these tips that I mentioned in the video. You know, I know this could be someone's first time going to Candle Day. It's a lot of fun. It can be stressful, but try to enjoy yourself. Hopefully you're able to find all of the items that you're looking for. And again, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Let me know how many candles you're going to buy. Are you going to Candle Day this year, or is it a total pass for you and you're going to wait for Body Care Day? Y'all know I'm more of a candle girl, so I'm super, super excited for Candle Day this year. It's going to be for 3 days, early access for members. BOPE is on Sunday, so I cannot wait. So happy shopping, subscribe, thumbs up, comments at the bottom, emojis at the bottom, and shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for holding me down, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.